Hello everyone, welcome back again. So in today's video I'm going to be making fried spaghetti. So to begin with, add 2 to 3 cups of water in a deep saucepan, and after that allow it to heat up, then add some vegetable oil. Next, go ahead to add in your spaghetti. After adding in your spaghetti, add in some salt, then mix together. After that, cover the pot and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Few minutes later, go ahead to check on the spaghetti. If you are sure that the spaghetti is soft enough, then take it off from the heat and wash it, then set it aside. Next, go ahead to add in some vegetable oil in your deep saucepan. Allow it to heat up, then go ahead to add in your chopped onion. After that, use your spatula to stir continuously. After frying the onion for a few minutes, go ahead to add in your dried thyme, dried seasoning herbs, stock cube and some salt, then give it a quick stir. Next, add in your diced mixed pepper, your diced carrots, sweet corn and some green beans. Next, add in your ginger powder, garlic and curry powder, and also some chili flakes. After that, use your spatula to stir and combine everything together. Next, add in your soya sauce. After adding it, stir fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. Finally, go ahead to add in your soft spaghetti, and after adding it, stir fry it for about 3 minutes, and after that your spaghetti is ready to be served. So guys, my spaghetti is ready to be served now. This is actually a vegan fried spaghetti, but I'm going to be enjoying mine with some fried chicken. Please guys, if today is actually your first time of coming across this channel, please do me a favor by subscribing, like and share this video. To all my amazing viewers, thanks for all your support. Bye.